Alright, here we go, guys. Just install the DPF, reprogram it, and here we go, throttling smoothly. Give it a little bit of RPM. Alright, so when the DPF is clogged, it doesn't go over 3000 RPM. No matter what you do, it won't go over it. I did want to do a video of the how I would install the DPF, but I didn't, because it is where it is, a lot of things would be shown in the background, so I didn't. And sometimes people's privacy have to come first, so I took that into consideration. But the method in which I show you how to clean it, there you go, proven and work. Jaguar. There you go. So basically that's it.